How to get ahead even when no one is there for you. There will be a moment in your life when the phone stops ringing. No advice, no encouragement, no hand reaching out, just silence. Most people collapse here. They interpret loneliness as rejection. They assume they are failing. They begin to doubt themselves, resent others, or beg for validation. But Stoicism teaches something different. This moment, when no one is there for you, is not a curse. It is a threshold, a dividing line between ordinary men and unshakable ones. In this video on Stoic True Wisdom, you will learn how Stoic philosophy turns isolation into strength, silence into clarity, and abandonment into advantage, so you can rise even when the world looks away. One, accept that no one owes you support. The Stoics begin with truth, not comfort. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, expect nothing from others and you will never feel wronged. Most suffering comes from hidden expectations, believing people should help, should care, should stay. When those expectations collapse, anger appears. But the Stoic man removes the illusion entirely. No one owes you belief. No one owes you loyalty. No one owes you motivation. The moment you accept this fully, resentment dies and power enters. You stop wasting energy asking, why isn't anyone helping me? And start asking, what can I build with what I have? This shift alone separates leaders from victims. 2. Solitude forces you to meet your real self when no one is watching. There is nowhere to hide, no performance, no applause, no external identity. This is why most people fear being alone. It exposes who they truly are. Stoics did not run from solitude, they sought it. Seneca believed solitude was essential for character, because only in silence can a man hear his real thoughts instead of borrowed opinions. When you are alone, you discover which goals are truly yours, which beliefs were inherited, not chosen, which habits weaken you, and private solitude removes the mask. And once the mask is gone, real self-mastery can begin. 3. Stop waiting for motivation. Build discipline. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is structural. When no one supports you, motivation disappears quickly. That is why Stoics never depended on it. Epictetus taught that freedom comes from obedience to principles, not moods. You wake up early not because you feel inspired, but because you decided who you are. You work when it's boring. You train when progress is invisible. You improve quietly. Discipline turns loneliness into momentum. Every day you act without encouragement, you strengthen a muscle most men never develop: self-trust. 4. Turn loneliness into strategic focus. When the crowd disappears, distractions disappear with it. No comparisons, no noise, no pressure to explain yourself. This is where Stoic men gain an unfair advantage. You think longer, plan deeper, move slower but with precision. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, yet spent hours alone with his thoughts, because clarity is born in quiet. Loneliness is not emptiness. It is concentration without interference. While others seek comfort, you sharpen strategy. 5. Build an identity that does not need witnesses. The strongest form of confidence is invisible. Stoics believed virtue mattered even if no one ever noticed. Ask yourself, would I still do this if no one praised me? Would I still improve if no one believed in me? Would I still act with integrity if no reward followed? If the answer is yes, you are already ahead. When your identity is rooted in character, neglect cannot weaken you. You stop chasing approval and start becoming undeniable. 6. Suffering becomes training, not tragedy. Stoicism never promised comfort. It promised strength. Hardship is not random, it is conditioning. Every night you go to bed exhausted but disciplined, you are being shaped. Every moment you resist bitterness, you gain control. Every time you endure without applause, you deepen resilience. Seneca said, "Fire tests gold, adversity tests men. Loneliness tests you, not to break you, but to refine you." 7. Silent preparation always beats loud intentions. Weak men announce plans. Strong men prepare. Stoics believed action should speak last. You read while others talk. You train while others debate. You improve while others complain. And one day results appear. People will call it luck. They will say you changed suddenly. They never saw the years of silent discipline, but you did. 8. Trust the path even when it feels empty. The hardest Stoic lesson is patience without reassurance. There will be long periods where nothing seems to happen. No feedback, no confirmation, no sign you are on the right path. This is where most people quit. Stoics continue anyway. They understand that growth is happening internally long before it becomes visible externally. If your actions are aligned with reason, discipline, and virtue, you are never behind. You are simply early. If no one is there for you right now, remember this. You are not abandoned. You are being prepared. History is shaped by men who learned to stand alone before they ever stood tall. This is the path of Stoicism. This is the path of self-mastery. This is the path of Stoic True Wisdom. If this message spoke to you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this channel exists for men who refuse to be weak, distracted, or dependent. Stay disciplined. Move in silence. Let your strength speak for itself.